Let's get right to it. The Spectrum TV app is compatible with Firestick as of today, September 27th, 2025, but there are several reasons why it might not be showing up for you. First, ensure your Firestick has Fire OS 7.0 or higher. Older devices may not be supported. Second, double-check your location settings and ensure you're in a US market where Spectrum operates. A VPN or incorrect location can hide the app. Finally, make sure you have a Spectrum account with a cable TV subscription, not just internet. The app requires a full cable package to function. First, update your Firestick's OS by going to Settings, then My Fire TV, then About, and select Check for Updates. If that doesn't work, try clearing the Amazon App Store's cache. Go to Settings, then Applications, then Manage Installed Applications, and select the App Store to clear its data. If the app still isn't visible, sideloading is an option. Enable apps from unknown sources in Developer Options, then use an app like Downloader to get the Spectrum TV APK from a reliable source. As a last resort, contact Spectrum support to verify your account and ensure there aren't any regional issues or outages affecting your service.